Web hosting and what it means to you. When you first establish an online presence, you need to start with the right tools at your disposal to be successful. Throwing out any old domain name and using a free hosting service is not a good way to impress potential clients. Internet users today are smarter than they have ever been. If you want to have an effective web presence, you need to reflect an awareness of what's current in the web world. Even if you're not a tech company, you still want to show your potential clients that you've got what it takes to keep up with modern advances in your field. Keeping up with the advancements in internet technology will help you do this. Web hosting is simply the process by which you host your website on your own server to host the website and its components. But that's for larger companies with data centers that need to be managed on site. For smaller companies, hosting on a paid website is a good option. What will hosting do for your business? The first answer is simple. Paid hosting offers you a place to run your website online. You pay from €2 to €200 per month to a company that can store your domain on its server. This type of paid service is ideal for a website owner who runs a business but doesn't want to maintain a server. If you have no experience with computers or have no one who is technologically trained, then paid hosting is for you. Hosting is big business and should not be taken lightly. There are many options available on the internet. So many, in fact, that it can be quite intimidating for a new user. To help you find the right hosting company for you, start by looking at your needs. First of all, how big of a website do you intend to run? If it's a large operation with a lot of inventory and graphics, then you need a lot of storage space. Different hosting packages come with different levels of storage. If you intend to have a large number of visitors to your website, you should also pay attention to the limit that some sites place on it. Because some hosting companies offer different alternatives for smaller sites. If you want to add plugins, like a visitor counter or other program, you need a hosting company that is compatible with CGI. The Common Gateway Interface is a way of connecting programming applications, such as your counter, to HTML pages. You can also customize your site with personal home pages or active server pages, so check with your web designer and hosting account to see if they can handle PHP or ASP. Here you can find information about the functions and differences between PHP and ASP. If you run your store online and sell products or services, you will need hosting that allows you to manage your e-commerce. This will include a shopping cart that users use to check out merchandise or information products on your site without your constant attention. Some hosting services offer partnerships with major e-commerce providers, so look for one that is known and trusted. Another thing to look out for on the site is database support and extra space. If you want your website to run fast and deliver what your customers want quickly, you need a hosting company that offers you the extra bandwidth. Also look for SSL or Secure Socket Layer, which is essential for any e-commerce site to protect your customers and your database from hackers. In general, look for a paid site that has all the features you want at a price that seems reasonable.